But before we get to the meat of the program, it's time for IP in the News, one of my favorite segments for sure.
Okay, why don't you start?
I will do my best. So we all know, regular listeners of Passage to Profit who are really IP aficionados love the whole concept of inventorship. And, you know, we just get so many cards and letters about inventorship every week. And so this was a recent non-decision by the Supreme Court. I'm sure you all know that you can file to have a case heard by the Supreme Court, but it doesn't always happen, right? And so in this case, the Supreme Court decided not to hear this case, and it was about some inventors at the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute who helped develop the cancer drug. And they were left off the patent by a company called Ono Pharmaceuticals. And of course, Dana-Farber sued Ono Pharmaceuticals to have the inventors placed on the patent. And of course, it worked out in Dana-Farber's favor. And so what happens a lot of times is you get into these inventor disputes because who invents on a patent controls who gets the money, right? So if Dana-Farber's inventors are erroneously omitted, then Dana-Farber doesn't get any money from the drug that Ono Pharmaceuticals is selling.
Well, they're lucky that Dana-Farber sued them now, because if they ever had to defend that patent in court, it could be invalidated because not all the inventors were on there, right?
That's right. Inventorship is really important in the US when it comes to patents. So,
and you actually helped somebody who was left off a patent.
I did, and he was a postdoc at Harvard University, and I shall say no more about it than that.
Okay.
Anyway,
so it got to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court said, no, we're not interested in hearing this case. So it stands that the Dana-Farber people get to be on the patent.
Right, and so Dana-Farber gets more money for their research.